We're going to first talk about login, how you access the system, adding team members, organizational navigation, adding child organization if your subscription allows, a brief introduction of what's different with TIBCO Cloud integration, next steps, and then where to go for any questions. From a login perspective, you should get an activation email that gives you access to your organization. You'll need to click on the link within that email in order to access. We've got some shortcut links here that we'll send out to you as well, which include URLs that'll directly go to TIBCO Cloud integration based on the region that you're located in for your organization. So for US, you'd use the link here that's indicated for a US region. For EU, you'd select EU. You can always go to the login page of cloud.tibco.com to access the main login menu. So we're going to start off with adding team members. How that works, how you add it to TIBCO Cloud integration, inviting new team members, using the email and tab to add multiple emails at the same time, assign roles, and team administration. So let's get started. Next step, we're going to show you how to add team members into your new TIBCO Cloud organization. You'd select team members. You'd see integration as a capability on the left-hand side. Click on that. You'd select invite new team members. You type in the email address of those that you're trying to invite in. Use the tab button. You can add multiples at the same time. Once you have added all of the email addresses, you go into assign roles. From here, you can designate what role the users have. If multiple users were added at the same time, you can do this at a granular level. Administrator gets team administrator role automatically, which means that they can add additional users into it. Read only is a new role that we've added for TIBCO Cloud integration users. It allows you to add a person that only has access to see, not to actually interact with the application. For example, they would not be able to create, modify, or update any applications. User is a role similar to what you were used to before, allows the user to create applications, but they're unable to access security settings and other settings throughout the organization. And then lastly, team administrator automatically adds the administrator role. You click on save and send notifications, and you'd see a confirmation that the email has been sent. Please make sure that whoever you've invited into the organization looks at the email and clicks on the activation link to accept the invitation. Next, I'm going to show you how to add child organizations depending on your subscription. So you go back to the main TIBCO Cloud menu that you can access by just clicking on TIBCO Cloud in the upper left-hand corner. Select Settings, go to Organization, and you click on Add Organization. From here, you'd select whether you're adding a child organization or a standalone. Click Create. You give it a name and click Create. If you've enabled the user sync setting, that means that all users that were in the parent organization would be automatically copied down to the child organization that you just created. I can go up to the organization navigation, and we should see that new child that I just created called TIBCO.